I'm Marina.
And we're seniors in the biomedical pathway at Harmony Science Academy in Carrollton. For our class, which is Biomedical Innovations, we made a biofeedback bracelet. This is a biofeedback bracelet, including the battery. It's used for biofeedback therapy, which is a form of therapy that people with high stress levels use to, in a sense, train themselves to calm themselves down. The way this bracelet shows it, however, is through the flashing of the LED, which now is going crazy, but that's normal.
The social studies component for our project is the historical connection and economics. The first wireless EKG heart rate monitor was invented in 1977 by Polar Electro as a training aid for the Finnish national cross-country ski.
For more information, refer to our website.
For our yearly component, we logged all of our progress in a journal entry format. You can check out all of our entries at our website, which is linked in the video, or you can check in the comment area down below.
For this project, you will need a 3D printed bracelet or some sort of frame, a pulse sensor, a battery pack, preferably holding 3-volt batteries, male-to-male and male-to-female wires, an Arduino board, and an LED. The build part of this project was relatively easy. However, the programming part required extensive research in order to know how to use the equipment effectively and properly. Some more materials that you will require throughout the build of this project is a cable that will allow you to hook up your motherboard to your computer and the Arduino software in order to program the motherboard. That's what it's showing right now is the pulse. So a little test that we did to see if it's actually detecting the pulse is we started breathing really heavily, so it's gonna start to pick up the pace. So it's gonna be something like this. So it starts to speed up, I guess, the blinking intervals. And then if you hold your breath, it's gonna stop or slow down. There. This is the data we collected. It was determined by the number of blinks we saw within the 30-second interval. As a group, we concluded that our bracelet is functioning properly, and this is due to the results received from various participants being constant. Thank you for watching Harmony Science Academy, Carrollton.